In this video, we will go step by step about how to create the basics of marble race. This is for absolute beginners. If you are not beginner, try to increase video speed. Create project by opening Unity Hub. I'm using this version. Rename your project. Select 2D. Press Create. Go to the game window and select Full HD. Change the background of the camera to your favorite color. I recommend you dark gray. Now there is two ways to add ball. First, from Unity, right-click on the hierarchy 2D object, Sprites, Circle. Rename it to red. Change the color to red. You can select Move tool by hitting W or click on this icon. Second way, by importing image to Unity. Let's organize this project by creating folder for sprites. All the resources you can download it from the link in the description. I created 33 different balls color with and without stroke using Photoshop. Import the PNG image to Unity. Make sure it's Sprite, 2D and UI. Sprite mode, change it to multiple. Hit apply. Click on the sprite editor. I'm going to pick 4 colors for this video. Click on the alpha icon to see the shapes clearly by clicking and drag the mouse to shape the whole circle. Make sure to select all of them perfectly on the edges. Hit Ctrl or Command D to duplicate the square and move it to the next one. After selecting all the circles, hit apply and close the window. Click on the small arrow. Now you see all 4 balls that we sliced them. Drag each one to the scene one by one. Delete the old red circle. Rename each ball. Now, each ball should have 2 components. Click on the Add Component button. Add Circle Collider 2D. And a rigid body 2D. You can resize the collider by clicking this icon and drag one of these green squares if it wasn't perfectly on the ball. Do the same thing to all other balls. Now when you hit play, you should see the balls falling. We are done with the balls now. Make new folder. I'll name it OBS, shortcut for obstacles. Inside the obstacles folder, you will see this weird PNG name. Drag and drop it inside Unity. Make sure it's 2D UI and we don't have to make other changes here. I already cut it perfectly. Drag and drop it to the scene. Center it by making X and Y 0. Let's move the balls inside the circle. We will add Circle Collider 2D. Hit this icon to grab the collider to the small circle on the edge. Do this 4 times for all circles on the edges. Now, add Edge Collider 2D. You have 2 options here. Follow with me how I create the scripts carefully or by downloading the resources you will have those C# scripts inside scripts folder. After naming the script to edge invert, I will make folder named scripts for C# scripts. Now, double-click the script to open it. I use Visual Studio Code for editing the script. First of all, I'll add a requirement type of edge collider 2D. Adding a public variable for radius. Adding range to make slider in the spectre. Minimum number should be 2 for the edge to be visible. Making new private method, I named it generate. I copy-pasted this code from Google. We call this method by typing generate in start method and onValid date. Ctrl or Command S to save the script and back to Unity. Drag the slider until it makes circle shape. Increase the radius till it fits the obstacle. When we hit play, balls should be inside the obstacle. Perfect. I'll add another script, name it to keep rotate. Careful, don't rename the script after creating it. It will cause you a lot of problems. Inside fixed update, we add this simple line of code. Make variable name of speed to control speed from Unity. Save the script and let's back to Unity. For me, speed 160 was good. Now, make folder for physics. Right-click, create 2D, physics material 2D. Name it to bounce. Change the bounce to 1. Drag and drop this material to all balls in the scene. When you press play now, balls should bounce more than before. Here is extra tip, here you can prefab this obstacle to easily repeat it on the scene. Make a new folder, name it prefab, and just drag the obstacle from the hierarchy to prefab folder. Now drag the prefab object to the scene.